Hello, Erica here. I have November's Flavor of the Month card kit from Scrapping for Less. So here's the package it comes in. And then that's the outside. And then the inside you get one of these. A plastic bag. Which I love this bag. So and a dum dum. Can you see that? Yeah, dum dum. So we're gonna go with the card start first, which is wrapped in a heavy card start. So you get a red, a gray, a blue, navy blue, a light blue, and 4 sheets of white cardstock. I get the banana split level so that it includes everything. So that's 4 sheets of the white paper. So first envelope, and then each one is packaged in its own envelope. So let's open this one up. I'll provide a link down below. I do not get paid for this. I pay for this every month. This is my 3rd month getting it, and so far I absolutely love it. So we got some corners, black and gold, glitter. So that one, and then so this one's called Geometro Mono. So these, and that's a good sized bag of those, and some twine in silver and gold. And then the stamp is from Deep Red, and it is a peacock feather. That's a pretty big size. So with the banana split level, I get a total of 5 stamps. Oh yeah, that's a big size stamp. Wow. Okay. So next, an envelope. And then the card start. This is all single-sided. This is gold and black. Look at the teardrops. So pretty. And then here's the geometric. More black and red. And there's 6 sheets. You might not get the same one as me because they split packs and they split packs up. So there's that one, and then there's this one. So there's that one. I like the peacock feather. I'm gonna have to do something with that one. I'll set that one for last. And then the next one is, each one has an envelope, so there's 4, so you get 4 envelopes, and this is Pick and Mix, and it has little pink flowers in it. See the pink flowers? Yellow, turquoise. This is from Diary Sister. Fits. some little butterflies. Those are so cute. And this stamp is from Sunny Studio. And this is ew. Missing fur, faint, and little lambs, sheep. So cute. So let's see. This is double-sided. This is the front, the back, front, back. This is all pinks and yellows and some blues. There. This one's textured. So this is single-sided. This is a textured one. And this one's textured too. So this one's single-sided. And this one's single-sided. And it's textured glittered. So cute. So there's that one, and of course your envelope. So next one, this ribbon. Looks like it's double-sided too. So this ribbon is blue with white. That's not a lot of ribbon. Yeah. And then this is just be you, and this one has yellow flowers in it. And this stamp is from Alt New, and it's one of a kind. Isn't that cute? So Emperor, yellow polka dotted one, arrow. It says brave. There we go. And then this one says, be yourself, everyone else is taken. That's cute. And then these are, yep, double-sided. I love this one. So there's that one. This one. This one's bicycles. The back of that one, more flowers. Zoom accurate. What's this? Oh, this is Smile Fly. Girl. Dream Big. You see that one? That one's yellow. And that one. Hot air balloons. And the last one. Cute. Of course, it comes with an envelope too. So here's this one. This is the fourth one. These are also double-sided. That's a lot of cardstock. 6 sheets in each one. I always have leftovers. Because you have your envelope. And then you're sent. This one's necessities. There we go. Well, different shades of brown and some white. And then we got some 3D stickers. More 3D, like that. And then this stamp set is from Brutus Moreau. And it's a coffee one. Well, you can do whatever. So now for this paper. Double-sided. This is all grain paper. That is cool. Herringbone pattern. That's the true herringbone one. And then the last one. So that's the fourth one. And then with the banana split, you get extra stamp and some other extra stuff. This die is from Lawn Fair and it says thanks. The big die set. And then I love this stamp set. This is from Sunny Studio and it's cute as a button. Look at how cute those are. So it says, "You are so amazing, thoughtful. Thanks. I love you so much. So thankful for you. Happy we're friends. Cute as a button." Cute. And then I have one giant button. And then four little buttons. Uh-oh. Four little buttons. There's that. And then you got from NOV crystal drops. Crystal drops, and this one is silver lining. So that adds to my collection. So that is all for scrapping for less. This is Flavor of the Month kit, card kit. I love this card kit. I mean, you get so much stuff for such a little price. Again, the link will be reposted down below. Thanks for watching.